then becoming full grown. Young, my father painted my room pink, and I thought, this is what little girls do. I screamed when my brother said he would cut my hair. I didn't mind dresses when jeans were too hot and green was my grandmother's favorite color. She was mean. I told everyone I knew football players practice ballet. I read a ballerina lived off a piece of cheese and 6 ounces of milk. This hardly means a thing now. My room white and decorated in shadows, a half-dead crabapple. I haven't danced in years. My instructor drank herself to death. She came to class in casts and covered in bruises. I thought it was from dancing. I thought she practiced so hard she fell. I can still smell the leotards and tights, sweet with sweat. How they laid on the body then and didn't pinch. How the older girls told me my boyfriend would be lucky. Tap shoes with a heel in silver. It ended so quickly. My mother tying up my hair and filling in my lips with red. She tried hard to tame it, wrapped it in plastic bags with hot oil. I wrapped my Barbie in electrical tape. There are pictures. I cut my own hair, and I know it looks better long. Who am I kidding? When I married, I didn't want to believe this was the best I would ever look. My mother took off my glasses and told me I was pretty. Metal dug into my chest, and I stepped on my own ridiculous hem. My armpits red from the chafe and lace, and I can't believe you wore white. Once, I dressed as a white girl, spent $20 on the costume, plaid skirt, sweater vest, with my own patent leather Mary Janes. I straightened my hair. My boyfriend kept smoothing my head with his hand. Next to me, a guy pulled his fingers apart and stuck his tongue between them. My boyfriend said it was like kissing someone else. It was supposed to be a joke. Like when my father couldn't get my brother to shave. He took out the razor blade and let me froth the barbasol on my face. Slowly, I went across the delicate stretch of skin beneath my chin and up to a swath of cheek. Look how easy this is. I saved my upper lip for last and curled it taut over my teeth, angling my face. Oh, how I wanted to do this every Sunday before we washed the car, before my father closed my hand and said, like this. Otherwise, you'll hurt yourself when you punch somebody.